Woo! What's going on, everybody? Salamat as always for watching. So today we're checking out Morissette Amon's rendition of Sheryn Regis's Come On In Out of the Rain. I know there's been a lot of complaints that you can't hear my voice properly. The audio is not picking it up, the microphone's not working to the best of its ability, especially in a lot of my prior videos, and I was re-uploading and re-editing them so I could post them on the channel so people could see, especially if they've requested those songs. I can't really react to them again, so I was uploading them again, and it really wasn't working that well, so I don't know, we'll see if I'm going to keep doing that. But anyways, let's get into this Morissette Amon's rendition of Sheryn Regis's Come On In Out of the Rain. Let's do it.
You believe that we find love together happily, and after all.
Whoa! Some performance art to go along with Morissette's vocals. Nice, I like it. Little rainfall there.
All I've done, you feel that I'm still the one to give you loving to. So bring it home to you. You told me that you love me if I never change. I'll come into your arms again. Come on in there.
Let's get a round of applause for this woman. Round of applause. Round of applause for Morissette. Round of applause for her. Great job. I gotta say, I don't know the original that Morissette's covering, but what I've noticed with all of Morissette's covers and renditions of other artists' songs, she definitely puts her own stamp on it every time. She brings her own flavor, something very uniquely Morissette, a Morissette uniqueness to it.
Some people say
If a lot of people loved each other, the world would be a better place.
If a lot of people love each other, the world would be a better place to live.
So much power. Goosebump achievement unlocked. What? Jeez. Insanity. Sorry, my earbuds were falling out. My gosh. Take a breather for a second. Okay, I'm ready.
Baby, come out of the rain.
Very nice. Very nice. Typically fantastic Morissette Amon performance right there. As always, you guys, any recommendations for the channel, any requests, make sure to make them down below, especially different artists. Any of your favorite artists, make the request down below. I'll definitely get to them eventually one day on the channel. I'd like to get some variation going. Let's jump around different genres, different countries, different area, different nationalities. Let's get a good mix of artists in here, which would be nice. You can also follow me Facebook, make requests there, Instagram. Come check out the Instagram page, and yeah, we'll have some fun. As always, let's get to my customary end of the video song for you guys. Okay, wherein I pick out a random beat, a random track, and I try to make a little ditty. I try to make a little track for y'all. Okay, chimes. I'm gonna go with chimes. Okay, let's do it. I need my sunglasses so I can be all artisty. Okay, let's go. Jump onto my train of thought, catch a ride and feel alive, feel right, feel like it's real on these wheels at night. Jump onto my train of thought, catch a ride, feel alive, feel right, feel like it's real on these wheels at night. Jump onto my train of thought, catch a ride, feel alive, feel right, feel like it's real on these wheels at night. Look into the countryside, see the lights, see the lives, real Christ, realize it's real on these wheels at night. It's real on these wheels at night. Yo, I'm locomotive crazy, so emotive maybe. You folks should listen to the quotes that I'm slowly saying. Rocking here on a boat with a cold ocean spraying. Seize the sea and breathe the breeze. Feel at ease, it's real peace, so feel it please. Jump onto my train of thought, catch a ride, feel alive, feel right, feel like it's real on these wheels at night. It's real on these wheels at night. Jump onto my train of thought, catch a ride, feel alive, feel right, feel like it's real on these wheels at night. Look into the countryside, see the lights, see the lives, real cries, real eyes. It's real on these wheels at night. It's real on these wheels at night. Look into the countryside, see the lights, see the lives, real cries, real eyes. It's real on these wheels at night. Looking for eternal love, pop like kernels in the of, searching for a fit like gloves, but it ain't so easy. Looking for eternal love, pop like kernels in the of, searching for a fit like gloves, but it ain't so easy. So don't allow the fleeting sense of dread to enter your head and leave you feeling like you're on some meds, keeping you defeated. Just stand up after you get knocked down. Just stand up after you get knocked down. That is the true power you can show. That is the true power you can grab. That is the true power that we have. That is the true power that I'm glad we all have in our hearts. We all have it in our hearts. It never goes anywhere unless you let it get away. Unless you let it get away. We all have it in our hearts. We all have it in our hearts. So don't let it get away. Don't let it get away. Jump onto my train of thought, catch a ride, feel alive, feel right, feel like it's real on these wheels at night. Jump onto my train of thought, catch a ride, feel alive, feel right, feel like it's real on these wheels at night. It's so look into the countryside, see the lights, see the lives, real cries, real ice. It's real on these wheels at night. It's real on these wheels at night. Look into the countryside, see the lights, see the lives. Real cries, real eyes. It's real on these wheels at night. With the cold ocean spraying, seas the sea, breathe the breeze, feel at ease. It's real peace, so feel it please, so feel it please. Peace, everybody.